Hello and welcome to another demo. My name is Ella Haddad and I'm the developer of the Paragraphs bundles and the Drupal solo theme. And in this demo, we will create something like this, except instead of scrolling, we will be using the parallax concept. So you see, this is the parallax concept, but here it's on fixed content type, just a regular content type, but we want to create parallax concept and open full width 100% on something like that. So to start, I just updated the dev bundle. So if you're watching this movie and you're gonna be seeing 1.2, you don't have to, but if you're watching this one and it's still 1.1, you need to download dev version and you get solo theme, and I have my local site here, and it's straight, just regular solo site, uh, the Drupal site. And I'm just gonna go to extend and try to enable my modules. So I want to install the bundles, that's the master one, and then the content, and then Parallax, uh, this one. So let's install. It will ask you to install the image bundle. That's fine. After we install it, we will create something like this and open. So let's check. It's already there. So structure, paragraph types. These are the bundles, what you see here. So if I'm gonna go content, add content, this is the new the paragraph content you enabled, the module. So this one, add content. So when we add, we are going to add a paragraph parallax inside it. A quick recap about this content. This is a very custom, special, powerful content. Uh, all bundles, so structure, paragraph types, just in general, all bundles have their own max width. You use this max width when you're creating content, when you add the bundles inside article or basic page or something like that, you can control the width. However, if you are using any of the paragraph bundles inside this specific content type, the custom one, you disable the width for the paragraph bundles and you are using the width for this one. So this is the way how you make the bundles work, and you get this kind of layout where you control and you apply the color for each section and the image gets 100%, and here also the same thing. So to do that, so I'm going first of all, so this page, so you control what is the max width for this page. So let's do it. This is the default. I'm not disabling anything you can disable, and I'm going to the content. I'm adding a title and I'm adding parallax, and the first thing you see here is just an image and text. Under the display, I added a default parallax always must have a height, something like that. So I have it here just in case. So this one must be filled, but you can change it. So let's go here. I'm just gonna add some text for this one. And I'm gonna add actually also a title because I fixed this one too. I made it to work with this layout. And we add an image, insert, insert, and I'm just gonna duplicate these for, however, you can create, that's the idea, but that's what it is. If you click save, and here is, that's the parallax. So one thing nice about that here, so these sections, like you see here, so if we go now, if you wanted to apply the colors, so if you add display and apply background colors, let's do a background color for each one different. So for here, and that's the third one. Anything, it's just the idea that, okay, that's what you see. So remember this one inside this content type and the display, this is control the width of this page of the content, this one. But I made these 100% the color, just like what I have here in Hero or on these ones. I hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.